In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get NFL Sunday ticket without cable. Let's get started. Right now, the only way to get NFL Sunday ticket without cable is through YouTube or YouTube TV. That means you can stream games directly on your phone, laptop, smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, PlayStation, Xbox, or Apple TV. Go to youtube.com/Sunday ticket or open the YouTube app. Sign in with your Google account, then select subscribe to NFL Sunday Ticket. You can also bundle with NFL Red Zone if you want even more coverage. If you already have YouTube TV, you can add Sunday Ticket as an add-on. Just go to Settings, Membership, then NFL Sunday Ticket. Confirm your purchase and you are ready to stream. Once subscribed, open YouTube or YouTube TV. Search for NFL Sunday Ticket and you'll see the hub where you can stream every out-of-market Sunday game live. On supported devices, you can even use multi-view to watch multiple games at once. And that's it. That's how you get NFL Sunday Ticket without cable. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.